Now we're finally here. Now Berna's been living here for many years and she's never been to this place. We're in Beykoz. It's a...
2 April opened.
Oh, okay, it opened on the 2nd of April. Wow, this place is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Wow. It's a glass museum. And we're not allowed to film inside, but wow, look at the grounds. Take a look at this. Wow, absolutely beautiful. This place is, I'm actually speechless. This place is amazing. They just told me to go and park the car. They're going to go and have a look at the peacock, but I'll go back and film that later. But let's go before I block this road. Wow, this place is amazing, absolutely amazing. Very nice. There's quite a few buildings on this site too. Anyway, I'm so glad that you're all here. If you like our channel, please subscribe. There will be more videos like this. I feel like I'm in heaven. This is, wow, this is so nice. Even the grass is so nicely laid out. So there's quite a few places to go and visit. Parking, a mosque, toilet facilities, restaurants, car park. Looks like a barbecue area or a place to sit and have lunch. Wow. I have two options, walk along the road or take the path. I might take the path. I feel like I'm in another country. I really do. To me, if someone showed me this picture, I would have thought maybe Switzerland or Germany. But no, it's here in Turkey. I could easily stay here all day. I'm going to tell Berna that I don't want to go home. I don't want to go home. I want to stay here. This is absolutely beautiful. I keep saying that. I'm repeating myself over and over again, but all it's missing is some cows. It's like I'm in a film set, but it's real. This place is actually making me very homesick. I feel like I'm back home in New Zealand. Write in the comments box below what you think of this place. Çok güzel. Ya. Harika.
Harika bir yer ya.
Çiçek.
Kuşlar Berna'nın yanına git. Berna nerede? Berna orada.
Oh, okay.
He orada.
Orada. Teşekkürler.
Ben buradan duruyorum.
Yeah.